Let's do a couple of words that have the same spelling but mean very different things.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
And the first word is fil. Fil. And fil can be sour milk that you eat. It can be a tool for like, or something you use under your feet or your nails and stuff. It can be a lane you drive in, and it can be a file like a computer file. The next word is skär. Skär, and skär can be a small island. It can be the color pink. It can mean to cut something. Jag skär. And it can mean when you're on skates and you take a, whatever that's called, when, that is to take ett skär. And the next word is tankar. Tankar, and tankar can be the plural form of tanks, like a container. It can be the plural of tanke, fat, meaning fats. And it can be the action of filling your car with gas. Jag tankar. And the last word is bar. Bar. It can mean that you have no clothes on. Jag är bar. It can be the past tense of bära, to carry, carried. Jag bar. It can be the place where you go and order drinks. En bar. It is a unit to measure pressure. And there you go, words that look the same but might have different meanings, also called homographs. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you the next time you click on one of my videos, and don't forget to follow the Swedish language on Instagram. See you next time. Bye.